Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to be taking a look at the new microphone I got for my GoPro, which hopefully will improve my videos a lot, because I noticed in the last video there where I was splitting the tractor, the sound was terrible. And it was a bit windy, I knew that, but it was just, you could barely even hear me. So I wanted to put some money into it and upgrade the sound on it. So we'll take a look at what I got. Yeah, so I'm actually just recording this on my phone, which is pretty good actually. I can go in 4K and stuff in 60 frames. But yeah, anyway, this is the microphone that I got. It's a Rode VideoMicro, so it's going to be a lot better, I think. I watched a lot of videos on different mics and stuff, and I think this is the one that I wanted to go with. It just seemed like the one that stood out to me. So yeah, and it also has the dead cat thing that comes with it, so this will help with wind noise and stuff a lot. So there's the microphone anyway. But yeah, before we look at that, I just want to say, so I have the Hero 8 GoPro, so I have to get this Media Mod thing so that you can actually use the jack, that little that little plug there. There's no input on the Hero 8, so you have to get the Media Mod thing too, which also has a mic on it. So I don't know actually how good that one is, but from what I've seen on YouTube as comparison videos, is that the Rode is still way better than this one. So I still wanted to get that anyway, but I have this microphone on here anyway if I need to use it, so I don't know. So we'll take a look at this little microphone here, and then I'll do some testing, and I'll do it outside because obviously that's where I'm going to be working. So yeah, there it is. It's all it is. And this should attach to the top of the Media Mod case thing. So yeah, and hopefully it will work really good. I like this wind cover thing, that should help a lot too. So what else have we got in here? Just the jack, the plug. There we go. I'm not very good at, I don't really know what I'm doing at an unboxing video, I guess, or look at, so I'm just kind of winging this. I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm just trying to show you guys that I'm actually trying to make my videos better every time. And yeah, I put some money into it. Pretty pricey stuff, but it's what I want to do. There is the Media Mod thing. So that goes over your GoPro, like a case kind of, and it goes and plugs in to where the battery and stuff is, and it gives you that jack there on the back. That's what I need to run that mic. So yeah, it should be working pretty good, I think. I just really want to make the videos a lot better, that's all. Yeah, this goes on the top like that, so hopefully the camera doesn't see it, I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna put it all together on the GoPro, and then I'll do some sound testing. Okay, so this is the GoPro, just stock, nothing on it. This is what I've been using it like. Yeah, I don't know if I'm doing the right thing using a GoPro, I'm not sure, but I already have the GoPro, so I thought I would use it. I know my phone is a lot better at picture and stuff, but the GoPro is just handy, you know. But anyway, yeah, that's regular sound. And now I'll put the Media Mod mic on to see how that is, and then I'll do the Rode mic. So if I set it up right, this should be the sound with the Media Mod. Hopefully I selected the right thing. So yeah, I'll show you what the GoPro looks like also with this on it. It's actually not too bad. You have to take off the door for the battery though, that's the only thing, because that's where it connects. So it's not waterproof right now, I guess. Yeah, there's the GoPro now with the Media Mod on it. See, there's the little microphone that comes with it. Yeah, like I said, you have to take off the door from the side where the battery goes in. So yeah, if this goes in water or whatever now, it's not waterproof. So that's the only thing, but I'm not going to be doing that, so that's okay. So now I'll put that Rode mic on there, and hopefully it's the best. Okay, this is now using the Rode VideoMicro. Hopefully it's nice and clear and you guys can hear me no problem. It's a little bit of wind. Hopefully it's not picking it up. We'll just see how this is. And there we go. that's what it looks like now with this microphone on it. It's pretty crazy. It's nice. Hopefully it's better sound. And yeah, that's my little video on my channel upgrades for my recording and stuff. I don't know how long I'll be using this for, but hopefully it's good enough for now. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.